Company background. Kuala Lumpur Kapung Berhad is founded in 1906, a major player in the industry, focuses on oil palm and rubber plantation development, listed on Bursa Malaysia with a market capitalization of around 23 billion ringgit as of September 2023. Next, company background for Genting Plantation. Established on 1977 as a private limited company, Genting Group was founded by Tan Sri Lee Gontong, listed on Bursa Malaysia in 1982. Firstly, I will explain the liquidity ratio for both Genting Plantation and KLK Berhad. For current ratio, even though Genting Plantation showed the declining trend from 2021 to 2022, which is 2.15 times, still the company can pay its short-term debt. Besides, Genting Plantation has higher quick ratio, which is 2.176 times in 2021, indicating a firm has enough short-term asset to cover its liability without selling inventory. Besides that, Genting Plantation has declining trend for net working capital from 2021 to 2022. For KLK Berhad, it showed the increasing trend of current ratio from 1.54 times to 2.04 times in 2022. KLK Berhad has a good increasing of quick ratio from 1.23 times to 1.65 times that indicate it has enough short-term asset to cover the liability. Lastly, KLK Berhad has increased trend in net working capital, means that the company is able to pay its short-term liabilities.
Next, I will continue with profitability ratio. For net profit, Genting Plantation consistently made more profit than KLK Berhad each year from 2020 to 2022, with steady profit ranging from 10.6% to 15.50%, while KLK Berhad had fluctuating profit between 5.50% and 12.31%. Genting Plantation shows stronger and more consistent profitability. For gross profit, Genting Plantation consistently had high gross profit margin, ranging from 21.29% to 30.80% from 2020 to 2022, compared to KLK Berhad 13.27% to 18.32%. This indicates better financial performance for Genting Plantation. Genting Plantation ROA improved from 2.98% in 2020 to 5.50% in 2022. KLK Berhad showed valid ROA from 4.9% 2020 to 8.70% 2021. Overall, KLK Berhad demonstrated superior asset performance and profitability compared to Genting Plantation.
I will talk about the activity ratio for the Genting Plantation and KLK Berhad. Genting Plantation maintained higher inventory turnover than KLK Berhad, signaling robust sales despite a decrease from 12.57 times to 8.12 times. KLK Berhad exhibit more efficient use of resources with higher total asset turnover, 0.90 times in 2022 compared to Genting Plantation. Lastly, KLK Berhad consistently improved its cash turnover from 5.28 times to 9.75 times, showcasing effective use of available cash for sale operation.
Now, I will be presenting about the ratio for Genting Plantation and KLK. Firstly, the debt ratio for Genting Plantation showed a declining trend in 2020 to 39.61% in 2022. The debt ratio for KLK also showed a declining trend from 2020 to 2021, but has a slightly increase in 2022. So we can conclude that Genting Plantation is better since lower debt ratio indicate a lower proportion of asset funded by debt. Next, for the debt-to-equity ratio, the debt-to-equity ratio for Genting Plantation showed a declining trend in 2020 to 44.04% in 2022. Meanwhile, for KLK, it's only maintained lower debt-to-equity ratio in 2020 to 2021, and in 2022, it's increased to 56.51%. So we can conclude that Genting Plantation is better since the company has less debt. Lastly is time interest earned. So basically, in all 3 years, KLK has maintained the better performance than Genting Plantation, since Genting Plantation show a declining trend from 4.49% to 3.35% in 2022.
Next is year-to-year percent changes in balance sheet. KLK Berhad grew a lot in 2021 with a 42.72% increase in total asset, much more than Genting Plantation highest change in 2018, 4.31%. However, Genting Plantation managed its debts better with a 10.93% change in 2020, while KLK Berhad saw a huge 199.60% increase in the same years.
Now, I will explain the year-to-year change income statement for both companies. In terms of revenue, Genting Plantation gained increased revenue with percentage changes of 10.23% and 25.33% in 2020 and 2021. Meanwhile, for KLK, the company experienced a positive gain revenue from 36.42% in 2022, as it indicates that the company has increased the profitability of its operation by increasing revenue.
Now, I will explain the common size of balance sheet for both company. Genting Plantation current asset increased by 28.64% in 2021, but showing a declining trend in year 2022, which is 28.01%. Genting Plantation total liability indicate a slight decrease from 2020 to 2021, whereby it is 41.48% in 2020 and 39.57% in 2022. The company ability to lower its overall financial obligation is indicated by this decline in liability, which can be advantageous for the stability and health of the financial system. Next, for KLK Berhad, current assets show the declining trend from 2020 to 2022. Besides, KLK Berhad is same as Genting Berhad because it has a decreasing total liability from 71.63% in 2020, 49.40% in 2021, and 46.92% in 2022.
The common size income statement, KLK Berhad common size gross profit increased from 13.27% to 18.33%. Genting Plantation saw consistent growth in gross profit also from 21 to 29% to 31.80%. For total corporate income, both faced challenges in 2022 because showing some declining, emphasizing the need for holistic assessment for industry content and business strategies. Next, index number balance sheet, KLK Berhad index number chart analysis for total asset shows significant increase but had the highest changes in 2021 with 134.19%, while total liability changes for KLK decreased to 50.88%. Genting Plantation has the highest total asset changes in 2021 with a 111.78% and total liability changes at 97.14%. Based on the year 2021, KLK managed debts better by using asset compared to Genting Plantation. In addition, 2022, both companies showed slightly decrease in gross changes. Next, KLK Berhad index trust analysis for revenue trend steadily increasing from 2019 to 2022 with annual gains of 140% to 136.32%. Is indicate remarkable and steady growth in range of financial indicator, suggesting a strong and thriving enterprise. Conversely, Genting Plantation exhibit a mixed performance in generating revenue, grew significantly in 2022 and 2021, and revenue fell in 2022 by 101.90%. It showing notable achievement in certain years, but difficulty in sustaining expansion and turning a profit.
So for recommendation, Genting Plantation should maintain efficient inventory management and prudent debt practice while exploring sustainable growth. KLK Berhad can optimize total asset turnover, expand cooperation, and monitor debt level for a balanced financial structure.
In conclusion, Genting Plantation is better than KLK. Genting Plantation show commendable reduction in debt and positive trend in leverage ratio. However, both companies must address specific challenges in liquidity, inventory management, and profitability. So that's all from us. Thank you.